Hi, my name is Tim Renicky, and I'll be showing you the basic functionality of FullertonTool.com. I'm going to go ahead and start with our material search, which can be found up in the products heading. This is applicable for both end mills and drills. For this example, I'm going to go ahead and click on end mills. Now, the thought process behind this is we wanted to be able to give you a very quick, easy solution to find Fullerton's recommendation for the material that you're machining. So in this example, I'll go ahead and select high-si aluminum, and we'll be profiling in this instance. So I'll hit submit, and just as easy as that, it brings back the recommendation of a 3835 aluminum mill. Now, if you know the dimension that you're looking for, you can simply click on Search EDP, or you can drill into more information about the tool by clicking on this heading, which I'm going to do right now. So this brings us into the series information page for that specific series, the 3835. From here you can get access to speeds and feeds, and also the product search, which will allow you to search on the applicable dimensions for that tool. So to give you a quick example, I'll go ahead and select maybe an 1/8 inch here, and we'll hit submit. So now you can see this instantly narrows down your search with the applicable EDPs and the codings for that search criteria. And if I go ahead and click on the EDP, it'll give you inventory, up-to-date inventory related to that EDP. Okay, so the next thing I'll note is up in the resources heading, if you click on flyers, this will give you access to any related Fullerton marketing material. It's as simply as going ahead and clicking on any one of the graphics here to download the appropriate PDF file. Next, I'll be going through some of the back-end features of the website, but before I do want to note that everything here you do need to be logged in to use. So if you don't have an account already, you can go to Login and Sign Up here in the upper right-hand corner, click Sign Up Now, fill out this appropriate information, and within about a business day, they'll authenticate you and you'll be ready to go. Okay, so now that we're logged in, I'll head up to the Fullerton Utilities tab, and I'll show you inventory now. Our inventory search supports single or multiple EDPs. So if you're looking for multiple EDPs, just simply put a space in between them. For example, if I'm searching for a 32019 and a 32018, and for this instance, I'll just show you the Michigan warehouses here, so I'll check that off. Both your quantity and net pricing are shown here. If you do have a discount, if you hover over the net pricing, your calculated discounted price will be shown as well. Let's say, for instance, you wanted to know the shank diameter of this particular tool. You can also click on More Info, and all of the appropriate attributes for those tools are shown as well. Another powerful feature of this system is the ability to quickly create altered standards from these tools. So in this instance, I'll select decimal, and I just want to change this to a ball end instead of a square. All of this tool's information is pre-populated, so I'll simply make the changes that I need, scroll down to the bottom, and hit Submit Form. This generates a copy to our quoting department at Fullerton and sends you a PDF copy of this as well. As soon as your quote is completed, you'll be contacted by a Fullerton representative with your pricing. So this is a great time to talk about the other quote forms that we have. In our basic forms, we offer end mills, drills, key seat cutters, reamers, and saws. In this example, I'll show you end mills. This kind of guides you through exactly the information that we need to quote the tool, as well as giving you the option to upload any images or prints that might need to go along with the tool to be created properly. Once you fill out this information, you hit Submit Form. Again, this generates a PDF in your email for you, as well as submitting the quote to Fullerton. As soon as those quotes are completed, a Fullerton rep will contact you with your pricing. So in addition to our standard quotes, we offer our fast quote system, which gives you instant pricing on our high performance end mills and our 3200, 3215, and 3300 general purpose end mills as well. So for this example, I'll go through a 3200. I'll want quoted a 5, 10, 50 piece order, and we'll do a square end just for simplicity here. I'll do a 1/4 inch diameter with a 2-inch length of cut, and notice that the blank size gets populated appropriately. If other dimensions are available, you can simply select them from the drop-down. Now that's really all we need to quote the tool. So I'll scroll down and hit Get Pricing. You can see the net pricing comes in with the appropriate lead time. Do note that your discount is not reflected in this pricing. We're looking to get that implemented in a future release. Another powerful thing about this system is its ability to quickly make changes and to see the price adjustments reflected very simply. So I'll go ahead and maybe add a coding, maybe a tin coding, and hit get pricing, and just as simply as that you can see the price adjustment. Now note, simply get pricing does not actually generate a quote. If this is actually something that you did want to go ahead and go with, you'd hit generate quote, and just like the general quote forms, a PDF would be emailed to you as well as to our internal quoting staff. If it's something you'd like to purchase, then at that point, you simply call into Fullerton with the appropriate eQuote number that will be emailed to you, and they can pull that up and get the system rolling for you. Okay, so we're running a little long on time here, so I'll quickly go over the shipments and open order information here. If you go to Fullerton Utilities and then Shipments, you'll be greeted by this screen here. This shows you all of your shipments that have left Fullerton facilities within the last day or so. You can say here's a shipment that shipped recently. I'll go ahead and click on this tracking number, and that will pull UPS servers for all the related destination information there for you. So you can see that this one was delivered. You're also able to search here in the search box for any PO or order number information if you need to filter through that list easily. All right, last but not least, open orders here. This shows any open orders that we currently have in the system for your applicable company code. If you click on more information, this then drills into the header related information for you, so you can see what is existingly open. All right, so I certainly appreciate you taking the time to go through the Fullerton website with me. We certainly appreciate your business, and thanks again.